Hi guys, Varun here from FoneArena and we're going hands-on with Motorola's new Moto Mod, which is a keyboard Moto Mod for the Moto series of phones which supports Moto Mods. As you can see, it's a slide-out keyboard. Pretty nice built, so as you can see, it's actually on Indiegogo and now it's going to be going to backers, but it won one of the competitions which Motorola hosted for building Moto Mods. So here we have it. It's a full keyboard, full PC keyboard in a small form factor for Motorola phones. So it's also got, you can adjust it either to keep it flat, like you can use it like this, say you want to, so you can actually type on this if you want to hold it flat. Like it's pretty nice feel on the keyboard. It's a little thin, but I don't think we have internet here, so that's the problem. So, but you can actually type on this pretty nicely, and say you want to actually hold it in an angle, you can actually tilt it and actually even put it on a desk and type it like that. So as you can see, let's actually open up some, say some messaging app. Let's actually go in here and actually say 1 to 1, and we're actually going to start a message. So you can actually even trying to find the symbols. Okay, so the symbols are here as well, so you can actually use so yeah, so you can actually type pretty well. So you can actually, as you can see, it sits pretty stable as well. Connects via Bluetooth and the pins on the back. So as you can see, it's pretty nicely sliding in. It's about $99 in terms of the pricing. And the moment you slide it in, it kind of deactivates the keyboard, and once you pull it out, it becomes active again. So it's a pretty neat looking mod. I mean, it's a little flimsy in terms of the build quality. It's not the best, but still the concept is pretty cool, and I'm sure we'll see much more like this in the future. So that was a quick look at the Livermorium slider keyboard Moto Mod for the Moto range of phones which supports Moto Mods. It's priced at about $99 and it's going to be available in a few months, and also shipping to Indiegogo backers right now. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and if you're a fan of the keyboards for phones, do let us know in the comments, and see you guys in the next video.